About 2 weeks. Don't you think it's about time you gave me my money?
Master Windu. I take it General Grievous has been destroyed then. I must say you're here sooner than expected.
Motherfucker, you best be coming up with my cash, else, you know what I'm saying?
Are you threatening me, Master Jedi?
You owe me some money, motherfucker!
It's treason, then.
You wanna play games, motherfucker? Alright, I'll play. Every goddamn cent I got in the world?
The Jedi are taking over!
You gonna tell me reasons? Let me tell you the reason, motherfucker. The reason is your ass ain't worth the shit no more.
You better fucking back off, man.
What the fuck happened to you, man? Your ass used to be beautiful.